So I'm trying to paint this tiny log, and I see so many colors and I'm so overwhelmed. I usually paint and draw at home, but in April I decided to participate Plein Air April challenge. I don't paint outside, so this is my first time that I can remember. As I started painting outside, I learned that it can be uncomfortable. So I learned that I should bring these items. Number one, insect bite ointment. So my first day, I went out to paint outside from the neighborhood. I got bitten by an insect or insects, I don't know, in my face. It got a little bit swollen and was itchy. As a matter of fact, several spots on my face got itchy, so insect bite ointment or something for itching is good to bring. In Sweden, which where I live, there are not so many venomous insects, but surprisingly they do bite often and they get swollen and itchy. If you're not like me, just immune to any insect bite, maybe you don't need this. Number two is a hat according to weather. I think it's important to bring a hat whether it's for cold temperature or sunshine. If it's less than 10 Celsius degrees, I would wear knitted hat or beanies. If it's sunny day, I would wear a cap or a fishing hat, something like that, to block the sunshine from my eyes. Sometimes if it's too sunny and stay too long under the sun without a hat, I get headaches. And my hair color is black, so it's easy to heat and keep the warmth, especially if it's summer. So I think it's really important to take care of yourself out there, just like having a snack or some bottle of drinks. And third, something to help paint. So this one, I don't have a tripod to paint outside, so I have to find somewhere to sit down. But sometimes there's no place to sit down, like a chair or some picnic table. It's just wild out there, just a rock or something. So something to sit on is good to bring. I have this cheap thin cushion to sit down. It's so nice to sit down and to be able to paint. It could be bath towels or anything. If you are worried to make it dirty, you can just put them in a plastic bag and then sit on it. If you're going to a cafe or somewhere you can sit down, maybe you don't need this. This is a Plein Air April version, so I think these three would suffice. So if you were doing a plein air outside in summer, you might need more than this. So watch other videos